Hi, this is Alan from Businesses to Start on a Shoestring, and I'm going to talk to you today about split testing your way to success, optimizing affiliate marketing campaigns. So in the ever competitive world of affiliate marketing, standing out from the crowd requires constant optimization. Enter split testing, a powerful tool that allows you to scientifically test different variations of your marketing elements and identify what resonates best with your audience. This video equips you with the knowledge and strategies to leverage split testing for optimized affiliate campaigns. So why split test? The EEAT and user experience connection. Split testing, also known as A/B testing, involves presenting different variations of a campaign element, like a landing page or a banner ad, to a portion of your audience and measuring which one performs better. This aligns perfectly with Google's EEAT, that's expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness framework, as it allows you to refine your content based on user behavior and ultimately improve user experience. By understanding how users interact with different variations, you can gain valuable insights into what grabs their attention and drives conversions. This data-driven approach allows you to continuously improve your affiliate campaigns and maximize your earning potential. Getting started, building your split testing foundation. Before diving in, establish a solid foundation. Firstly, KPIs. Identify the key performance indicators, KPIs that matter most for your affiliate campaigns. This could be click-through rate, conversion rate, or average order value. Variations. Craft compelling variations of your marketing elements. Focus on testing one element at a time to isolate the impact of the change. Do's. Highlight predictive product benefits, use strong calls to action, and test different visuals. And don'ts. Overly complicate your variations or stray too far from your brand identity. Testing tools. Leverage free or paid split testing tools to manage your tests efficiently. These tools simplify the process of creating variations, tracking results, and analyzing data. Statistical significance. Understand that split testing results can be influenced by chance. Look for statistically significant results to ensure your conclusions are valid. Advanced strategies for split testing mastery. Take your split testing to the next level with these advanced strategies. Multivariate versus A/B testing. While A/B testing focuses on one variable, multivariate testing allows you to test multiple variables simultaneously. Choose the right method based on the complexity of your campaign. Psychology in play. Leverage principles of consumer psychology in your test variations. For example, test the use of scarcity tactics or social proof to influence click-through rates. Timing and frequency. Run split tests for a sufficient duration to gather statistically valid data. However, avoid testing too frequently, which can confuse your audience. Case study inspiration. Learn from successful split test examples in affiliate marketing. Learn from results and implementing insights. Once your test concludes, interpret the results and make data-driven decisions. Analyzing data. Look beyond the headline numbers, identify trends, and understand why certain variations perform better. Implementation. Integrate winning variations into your overall affiliate marketing strategy. Share your learnings with other affiliates for a synergistic approach. Continuous learning. Use these insights to inform future content creation and campaign strategies. The testing cycle never truly ends. Avoiding pitfalls and ethical considerations. Remember, there are potential pitfalls. Testing bias. Ensure your testing process is unbiased and focuses on delivering the best user experience. Sample size. Don't rely on insignificant data samples. Test long enough to gather statistically meaningful results. Ethical testing. Only test variations that are truthful and don't mislead your audience. By embracing split testing, you can transform your affiliate marketing game from guesswork to data-driven optimization. So start testing, learn from the results, and continuously refine your campaigns to achieve affiliate marketing success. So as we all know, Wealthy Affiliate is the best platform to host your affiliate marketing business. And if you'd like to sign up to Wealthy Affiliate using our affiliate link for free, there is no credit card required, and you can use a Wealthy Affiliate indefinitely for free while you get to know it and receive training. And whenever you feel comfortable, you can sign up to Premium or Premium Plus level. Then you can click here, and we'll put this affiliate link in the description below this video. Cheers for now.